Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add logo to your Wix website header. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open Wix website and then log into your account. So over here you can see I have a simple website, and over here this is our website header, and here you can see we have a logo over here. So I'm just going to delete this logo. Alright, here you can see the logo is now empty. So what you can do is click on add elements. Now click on image and you can upload image over here. So here what you can do is upload your logo to the website. So now click on upload image. So you can just upload your logo from your computer. So here you can see this is our channel's official logo. So I'm just going to upload this to the Wix website. And as you can see, this is now uploading. So here our upload is successful. So now what you have to do is click here and now click on add to page. So over here you can see our logo is now added to the Wix website, but this is added to our body part. So I'm just going to decrease the size and now drag it to our header. And now let's adjust our size. And now let's adjust our position of the logo. So here you can see various options that is provided. Now let's click on settings, and over here you can click on adjust. You can do some various edits. So here you can enter a hyperlink. So here you can make it so that when a user clicks on this logo, it will redirect the user to whichever you choose. So you can edit the brightness of the logo as well. But since this is official logo, you might not have to do this edit. So now click on save. And that's it. That is how you'll be able to add logo to Wix website header. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.